So sad.
I'm copying you, but facial expression is opposite. I feel your pain, Jessica. I don't want you to move. You're my girlfriend. Has anyone realized things are moving but me?
Let's have a date tonight. How about in the city at 7? Will you be there, Brian? You are my boyfriend, you would never lie or desert me. For a shall, I hopefully can stay.
Mommy. Jessica and Brian are having a date, you need to stop them now. Now, Mommy. Now, Daddy. Now. I will die if Jessica is happy, die, I tell you. C-R-Y-N-G-D-I-E.
Oh, silly, little Devon. Jessica should be happy with Brian. Let them have their date. You cannot die from that. Husband Joey, what do you think?
Oh, wife Jessie. You know that Jessica is way too young. So our little son, Devon, is right. In fact, I never trusted Brian. The date is cancelled. Jessie, you know the drill.